Hello everyone, welcome to day 48 of my English speaking challenge. Today I am going to share with you what I did today. First of all, I woke up at early and after that I took my brush and take bath. After that I rest sometimes and take lunch. And after that I go to the like I prepare I put my clothes for washing and wash my clothes and clean the rooms and some something do for English and I watched today Annabelle. Today I watched three part of Annabelle and also I watched a movie and right now I am ready for the going to ceremony to attend a ceremony. So in my relatives, that's why I right now I am ready and after times or after recording this video, I am going for engagement ceremony of my relatives and I go there and after that there I will enjoy too much and lots of fun doing there and after that I return back my home and go to the bed. So my whole day today is going in this way. So if you are a beginner and if you are a learner then you can also try to speak with what you did today, like what you are doing in this way so that you can improve yourself. Like sometimes I practice myself. Like, when I am going somewhere, then I will say to myself, like, I am going at that place, I am going at that place. When I am eating food, then in my mind comes, I am eating food. I, I take bath. Like this, you can try to speak your English. And I, today I also learned two new words. The word is finish and start. The meaning of finish is to complete something, and the meaning of start is to begin something. So that's it for today, guys. See you in next video.